Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see a simple recipe on my channel. That's the Dhaba style chicken gravy. Out of so many chicken recipes, the Dhaba style chicken gravy is one of my favorite. It's a juicy morsel of chicken simmered on a fried onion tomato gravy. It is perfect to pair with paratha, tandoori roti or ghee rice. So let's begin with the ingredients. The ingredients for the thick and creamy chicken gravy is as followed. Here I have taken 1 kg bone on chicken pieces cut into medium size. Thick yogurt 1 cup. Salt according to taste. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri laal mirch 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, mirch masala 1 teaspoon, oil 2 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, Kasuri methi 1 teaspoon, handful of chopped coriander leaves, 2 medium sized tomatoes roughly chopped, 3 medium sized onions deep fried until golden brown. All the ingredients are given below in the description box. Do check out. So let's begin with marinating the chicken. Add yogurt into the chicken. Then go salt, meat masala, turmeric powder, garam masala and black pepper powder, coriander powder, chili powder and ginger garlic paste. Mix well until all the chicken pieces are evenly coated. And refrigerate for at least half an hour. Now till the chicken is getting marinated, let's quickly grind the onions and tomatoes to a fine and smooth paste without adding any water to it. Now this is how we exactly need the masala consistency, thick and creamy. Now it's been half an hour, let's take the chicken out. For the cooking of gravy, let's begin with preheating a pan. Add some oil. Here I have used the same oil which I fried the onions in. Once the oil is heated, add 1 bay leaf. Now add on the marinated chicken. With all the masalas. Give it a good stir and allow it to cook. We need to cook this on medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes. This is the consistency of gravy. Stir it and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. I haven't used water yet. This gravy is forming due to the yogurt in the chicken. Let's cover and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's add on the grounded masala and stir well. Now allow it to cook till the raw smell of tomato goes off. That's approximately 5 minutes. Now adjust the gravy with some water if needed. At last, add some coriander leaves and some crushed Kasuri methi. Take some Kasuri methi in between your palms, give it a nice crush and add it to the gravy. Now allow it to cook till the gravy thickens and the oil gets separated from the gravy. So guys, that was a simple dhaba style creamy and thick chicken gravy made with easily available ingredients at home. So do give it a try. I hope you like it. If you like this recipe, then do give us a thumbs up and do share with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified when I'm online. Thanks for watching. See you soon with my next recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.